Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chandran. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the Antutu benchmark test on the IQ3 device while charging at same time. Yes friends, this test is going to be really an interesting test because right now the battery percentage in the IQ3 is about 1%. Yes friends, exactly 1% as you can see. So this is going to be really interesting because you'll be able to get to know how much temperatures the phone can actually increase while charging and while doing Antutu benchmark at same time, and how much score we can actually get doing by this kind of method. So this is a really unique kind of testing to do. Let's see what will happen with the results. That is what I'm going to really surprised to see in this kind of phones. So the only reason why I'm testing this kind of scenario is because previously I did same kind of testing in the IQ7 as well, and the phone was able to perform really great. So let's see whether that kind of test is possible in this phone or not. That is what I'm going to check. So let me need to quickly connect the charger and open the phone, and let me turn on the monster mode as well. So monster mode is turned on. Let me open the Antutu benchmark application. So it is Antutu benchmark application, and the brightness is, I'll try to set the brightness slightly to 50%, so it should be kind of good. So let me try to start the test. So these are the results for the before. So before when I did, these are the results. I'll try to take the screenshot and let me start the test. Yes, so I did try to on the monster mode and the multi-turbo mode also, everything is turned on continuously. Let's check the temperatures right now, how much it is. Right now the temperature is of 33 degrees, not bad. So 33 degrees as you can see friends clearly, 33 and 33. So overall the temperature is this point is only 33 degrees. So this is going to be really interesting and challenging for this kind of Snapdragon 865 processor in the IQ3. Let's see how much performance this phone can actually boost up using this kind of charging and doing another benchmark test at same time. So again, I'll be back after close to 50% of the Antutu benchmark test completed. Then we can actually discuss so how much is the scores we can actually expect in this phone. So right now as you can see friends, we are getting close to 50% as well, and the battery percentage reached to 11% as you can see during this time of testing, and the temperature increased by 38 degrees. So 38 degrees is the highest recorded temperature, and the backs are 35 and 36, not bad. As you can see 38.4 is the highest. So let's see friends how much Antutu benchmark score you can actually expect in this way of extreme conditions. So the phone is charging with a fast charging, and the temperatures will increase, and that will put definitely a lot of load on this IQ3 device in terms of performance. Let's see how much score we can actually get. So right now as you can see friends, we are getting close to of 100%. Let me try to show you exactly the temperature, how much it is, 37.8. So during this time I did see the maximum of only 38 degrees. So apart from that, I did not see any kind of changes in terms of the temperatures. Only 38 degrees I did see the change. So right now it's of only 37 degrees. As you can see friends clearly, only 37 degrees is the highest recorded. 37 and 38, that's it, not much. But let's see how much score we can actually get using this kind of trick, this kind of method from the 1%. So when I started the Antutu benchmark test, it was kind of close to 2%. Let's see the as you can see, the scores were really good. So 6,72,000, and the battery charged to 19%. So during this time of testing, as you can clearly see friends, and the temperatures increased by 4 degrees. So 4.8 degrees, as you can see clearly. So these are the statistics results. So 185 and 230 CPU and the GPU. You can see during this time of testing how much it is. So even though the phone is in a low battery level, but still it's charging at same time, but still the phone performance did not decrease. It's really great. So I did try to use the monster mode as well during this time of testing. As you can see, monster mode and ultra mode as well. So everything is enabled during this time of demonstration. So these are the quick results, and let me to open the before screenshot, and you can compare the screenshot before and now results. As you can see, the GPU remained 230, and the CPU 189 was before, and now it became 185. So slightly decreased in the CPU. As you can see the results comparing side by side. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and make sure you check the links in the description for more details, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.